Mr. Floor. Mr. Floor
I
cleaning
said
products
dang, Andrew.
are all non-toxic and environmentally safe, and you can learn more at MrFloor.com. Go.
Okay, 200 things to get rid of.
Pull up a chair.
As fast as we can.
Okay. Let's see if you can do it.
Ruled notebook paper. Ruled notebook paper. You can't even donate ruled notebook.
Don't explain them. Just go down the list.
Just run down the list.
Fine, but sometimes you have to.
Okay.
We know what ruled notebook paper is.
But I'm just saying, you would think that you can donate it somewhere. You can't. Fine. Placemats, napkins, tablecloths that never get displayed. A hole punch you never use. Plants that don't brighten your spirits. You know those I want to explain, Rich.
She can't do it without explaining. Go.
You know what people are going to say, then what's wrong with plants? Those leggy, ugly ones?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
The spindly ones?
Yes.
Okay.
That's because your grow light's too high. It needs to be lowered.
I thought he said my girl light. Like, what are you talking about?
Ew, move on.
Ew. Coasters that go unused. No one uses coasters. I can't help myself. Broken clocks. Old sports equipment from days gone by. Kitchen knives no one uses. I have literally like 30 kitchen knives. I'll use one once a week.
I still have my Air Force uniforms. I can't fit in them. I couldn't even put a leg in them.
That's different. That's your Air Force uniform. Okay. It's not 30 kitchen knives that you'll never use.
Okay. So it's okay for me to keep my old uniforms?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Old
Thanks,
baby
Robbie.
gear. Bring it in one day. I want to wear it. Old baby gear that you no longer need. Unused picture frames. I cannot tell you how many people save hundreds and hundreds of picture frames. I don't even know why. They just do. Spare change laying around. What? Duplicate pocket knives.
Oh. No, wrong. You are not taking any of my pocket knives.
Old wallets. Outdated computer software. Pesky email subscriptions. That's something that I need to get off of my phone. I get a million emails that I don't need. Used ink cartridges. Recycle them.
What?
Take them to Best Buy. I don't know why people would have those laying around.
You mail them back.
Old fortune cookie fortunes. You ever open somebody's junk drawer and they find little fortunes there? People, they're not real. They're not real.
No, of course they are.
No. So you say, like, look what I'm going to have a really good year because this piece of paper told me so. Okay. Old cell phones, recycle. Extra folders, binders, labels, etc. If the extra ones don't fit in your file cabinet, people, don't store them somewhere else. You don't need them if they don't fit. You don't need a cabinet for them. Address labels. Do you ever really use all those?
Yes,
labels?
I do. I'm out of them right now. I need more. They need to send me more.
You don't just print your own?
No.
How hard does it go to put done?
I don't want to write all that. I like just pulling the sticky thing off and going, dink, done.
I print my own. You go buy the paper and you just print them when you need them.
Yeah, I can do that too, but you know. All right, turn
Junk
off your mic there, Fresh Meat. So
yeah, what's she going about? She's going over there 240. She just yapping away in the back.
Oh yeah, yeah, I know. Well, that's because all these people calling
Everybody
in getting
call
the Klein
877-711-5611. Junk mail, plastic children's plates and cups that they've outgrown. Please, you know what? If your kids are like 20, let's just say, throw out those because when they have children, you're going to want fresh. You're not going to want to store things away. Speaking of which, when you store old things, you know what happens? Mice get into them.
They get old.
Yeah, when you store your kids' doll clothes from when they were little and you're saving for your grandchildren, you have it up in a plastic bin in your attic that's not sealed, mice go in there and they make homes. And then when you take out all that doll clothes stuff, you know what happens? The people who'd have to take it out for you, they get to deal with all the mouse poop and pee and shredded stuff.
There you go, Rich. Ding, ding. There you go.
Damaged stained clothing. Scarves you never wear. Gifts you don't love. Don't have a shelf of gifts in your house that you don't love. Dried flowers. Oh my gosh. They crumble. Like they're not decorative. They're not pretty. Get rid of them. Okay. One earring that you're like, one of these days I'm going to find the match to this earring. You're not going to find it.
Well, you could be cool and just wear one earring, like Jose in there. You see, he's just got one.
Jose has one earring.
We'll be back right after this.
I have to talk to his father about that.
I'm Angela Aranella, buyer for toys at Party City. I have 2 little girls.
How do you like that, Fresh Meat?